You can't go anywhere, boy. Oreo, you're attached to my pants. So he wanted to go for a walk, but we didn't have a leash yet. So what I did was I took my strap for the purse and just decided to use that right now. And I attached him to my belt loop so he can't run away, because he is very powerful right now. No, come on. Turn around. There's a puppy up here. Come on. Is that why you wanted to go this way? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Hey. Alright, fine. Well. No. I think what he's wanting to do is go see this puppy over here. Come on. Yeah, he's freaking out about this puppy over here. Alright, good boy. Come on. Alright, he's peeing a lot right here because there's another dog here, so. Come on. Come on, no. He's not even like peeing right now. He's just marking his territory because there's a dog here. Come on. We gotta go back home. You can't run. I know you're waiting for the dog. Come on. Come on, Oreo. The dog's not even there right now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on. No, there's no one there. Come on. Oh, good boy. Are you going to mark this territory too? No? Not a good spot. We're not going up that road. Come on. You're not going anywhere, boy. Come on. You gotta go back to the house. Come on. It's definitely working. I mean, it gives him enough slack, I think. Hey. Pause, pause.